Hello viewers, thanks for staying tuned. We have another subscriber's request and you can also send yours. We are waiting for you. Thank you so much. Kindly subscribe to our channel. Thank you. Ensure you have your block pattern, a fitted block pattern. I'll have both the center front and the center back together here. So this is the center back and this is the center front. I'm going to start with the center front. On the waist, you're going to rule a line on the waist. So you cut on the waist using your scissors to cut into two pieces. That is, you have the upper part and the lower part. If the pregnancy is on a high level, it means you cut a bit higher, and if it's on a lower level, it means you cut lower. So place another paper underneath just as illustrated. Ensure you secure the pattern on the new paper, and what you do next is from the upper part, which is the bodice on the waistline, you measure 5 inches downwards on both sides. You measure 5 inches downwards, and you rule a line to guide you so you don't mess it up. So you do that and you place the lower parts on the line, then you secure it with either your nylon tape or your thumb pin. But for this course or for this class, I am using nylon tape to secure it. So the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to use my curve to blend the side. We've extended the waist, as in we've lengthened the center front. So we are going to blend it so that we can have this look. So at the end of the day, this is what you're going to have. I'm talking about the pattern. So from the armhole, you measure down 3 inches on both sides. You measure down 3 inches. Then from that 3 inches, you measure about 7 to 10 inches downwards. Why? Because that is where you're going to run your gathers on. You run gathers to that part. You pull together, especially on that 5 inches part. You pull together until the length of the center front dress block and the center back equals. So you can see the difference between the center back and the center front. The center front is lengthened. You can also use elastic on the side. All you just need to do is to pull together so you can have that fullness where we added the 5 inches. You can see the way I'm folding the paper. Click below to see more details on how to go about this. Thank you so much. Thank you.